Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Let me start with a scenario that's happening right now, inside most solar operations. Whether anyone admits it or not, one of your best technicians works a full 40-hour week. They're skilled, certified, reliable, you trust them. Now let's look at how those 40 hours actually get used. 24 hours are spent doing real, productive, billable work, fixing inverters, replacing modules, troubleshooting strings, preventative maintenance. Fund 15 additional technicians in emerging markets. Cut your O&M budget by 25% without losing a single productive hour. Pay for advanced monitoring, drones, and predictive maintenance twice over. And here's the brutal part. Most operators don't even know it's happening. The solar operators winning today, they've solved this. Here's a decision that will cost you either $2.5 million or $3 million over the next 5 years, depending on which choice you make. On-premise SCADA versus cloud-based monitoring. It sounds like a simple technology question. It's not. It's a question about latency, cybersecurity, total cost of ownership, scalability, and who controls your data. Some solar operators swear by on-premise systems. They want the control, the low latency, the air-gapped security. Others have gone fully cloud. They want the scalability, the managed updates, the remote access from anywhere, and increasingly, the smartest operators are doing both. Hybrid architectures that combine edge computing with cloud intelligence. Today, I'm breaking down the real trade-offs with verified data, latency benchmarks, actual cost comparisons, cybersecurity realities, and the specific scenarios where each architecture wins. No sales pitch, just engineering reality. Let's compare. Before we compare trade-offs, let's be clear about what we're actually comparing. With on-premise SCADA, the software and data live at your facility. You own the servers, you own the storage, you own the network infrastructure. You're responsible for maintenance, security, updates, and everything else. All data stays within your facility perimeter. You control every component of the stack. With Cloud SCADA, the software runs on remote servers managed by a third party. Your field data transmits over the internet to cloud servers for processing, storage, and visualization. Data lives in the vendor's data centers. Vendor handles maintenance, updates, security patches. The increasingly popular third option, edge computing with cloud integration. Processing happens locally at the site for real-time control, while cloud handles analytics, long-term storage, and cross-site visibility. Now let's compare the real trade-offs. The numbers, that's a 10 to 50x difference in response time between on-premise and cloud. Most solar monitoring is not time critical. You don't need millisecond response for performance ratio calculations, daily energy production reports, historical trend analysis, or monthly KPI dashboards. For these use cases, cloud latency is completely acceptable, but some solar functions are time critical. For these functions, on-premise or edge processing is essential. A case study showed edge computing in solar installations processing 1,000 plus data points per second with microsecond response times to environmental changes, impossible with cloud round trips. The verdict on latency: critical real-time control, on-premise or edge required. Monitoring and analytics. Cloud is perfectly adequate. Best practice, hybrid architecture with local control plus cloud analytics. This is where the conversation gets serious. Cybersecurity for solar SCADA is no longer theoretical. The threat reality. US utilities experienced a 7% surge in cyber attacks in 2024. A cybersecurity researcher demonstrated access to more solar capacity than runs through Germany's entire system using just a laptop. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.